In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify in 2025. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, especially if you're just getting started. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. You'll find yourself on the home page where we'll start by creating a free account. To do that, click on Start for Free. You'll need to set up your account, and once you're done, Shopify's store creation process will guide you through some important initial questions. During this setup, Shopify will ask about where you'd like to sell and whether your shop is for a new or existing business. These questions help tailor the setup process to your specific needs. Another important question you'll encounter is about the products you're planning to sell. Here, it's useful to have an idea of your inventory to make this step smoother. Finally, you'll be asked for the store's name. If you happen to not have all this information ready, you can skip these questions and proceed directly to the admin dashboard. However, if you're new to Shopify, taking the time to go through these steps will make your setup experience even more seamless. Now that you've reached the admin dashboard, it's time to start adding products. On the left panel, you will see a section labeled Products. Click on it and then go ahead to select Add Product. This is where you'll enter the details of each product you're planning to sell. If you already have your product details neatly organized in a CSV file, you can import them directly. Just ensure your file fits Shopify's CSV template requirements, making this process much quicker. Once your store is populated with products, you'll probably want to see what it looks like in real time. To do this, look to the left panel again and hover over Online Store. An eye icon will appear. Click on it. This feature provides a quick way to access and review your live site, letting you see exactly what your customers will see. Now that your product lineup is visible and live, it's time to set up your payment methods. Scroll down to the bottom left and click on Settings, then select Payments. Here, you'll find various payment methods available. Choose the ones that make the most sense for your business, whether it's credit cards, digital wallets, or other options. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save to ensure your choices are properly recorded and activated. And that's it. You've just taken your first steps into the world of e-commerce with Shopify. From creating your account to adding products and setting up payments, you now have the basic tools to showcase and sell your products to the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide